हेलो गाइस, आज हम लोग देखने वाले आंसर की कंप्यूटर एप्लीकेशन टर्म 1 सेट नंबर 4 क्वेश्चन पेपर कोड 053। सेक्शन ए, द आंसर ऑफ क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 विल बी डी, क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 आंसर विल बी डी, क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 आंसर विल बी बी, क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 आंसर विल बी सी, द आंसर ऑफ 5 number will be B, the answer of 6 will be D, the answer of 7 will be C. The answer of 8 will be A, the answer of 9 will be B, the answer of 10 will be D, the answer of 11 will be B, the answer, I did not attempt this question, the answer of 13 will be B, the answer of 14 will be D, the answer of 15, I did not attempt this question, the answer of 16 will be C, the answer of 17 will be D, I did not attempt this question, the answer of 19 will be B, the answer of 20 I did not attempt this question. Section B, the answer of 21 will be B, the answer of 22 will be C, the answer of 23 will be B, the answer of 24 will be A, the answer of 25 will be D, the answer of 26 will be B, the answer of 27 will be B, the answer of 28 will be B, the answer of 29 will be A, the answer of I did not attempt 30 and 31 question. The answer of 32 will be A, I did not attempt this question, the answer of 34 I did not attempt this question. So in section B, I did not attempt this question 30, 31 and 33 and 34. 35 answer will be A, 36 answer will be B, 37 answer will be B, 38 answer will be C, 39 answer will be C, 40 answer will be B. In section C, 41 answer will be D, 42 answer will be B, 43 answer will be D, 44 answer will be A, 45 answer will be A, 46 answer will be C, 47 answer will be B, 48 I did not attempt this question, 49 I did not attempt, 50 answer will be B.